Oh boy.
Say bye to the world.
Hey everybody, I am in Berlin, Germany today. Actually, I'm visiting a couple friends of mine here in Berlin, and it's been awesome. This is one of them. Say hi to Stefani.
Hi.
So what I'm doing today is, you see this building? I am jumping off that point there and doing pretty much a full free fall until the cable stops me from dying. So they're testing it out right now. I just heard that they put a new rope up there, so I'm kind of the guinea pig for testing out this new rope, apparently. So, so Stefani has watched people do this from the ground before, am I right?
Yeah, it was quite a spectacle, so I guess you will enjoy it, and I hope you will survive.
Yeah, me too. But this time you'll get to see me from up there. Am I correct?
That would be nice.
Yeah.
I would take some pictures. That would be cool.
Yes, she'll be my camera girl. Hello, are they ready for us?
So what are you doing right now?
Signing my life away.
Okay.
In case I die, I can't sue them.
Yeah.
Hello. Ooh. Hello, Berlin. Yeah, too bad it's a cloudy day, but hey, can't complain too much. This is a pretty great view anyway. They're definitely kind of taking their sweet time over there getting ready, so it just kind of builds up the nerves more. I think they do that on purpose. I'm not really sure why they call this sport base flying. There's really no flying to it that I'm aware of. You just kind of dropping. So they should probably call it base dropping. This is what I'm jumping off of. we're still waiting, and it's starting to sprinkle a little bit, so yeah.
We're ready to go.
Okay, great.
Who's first?
I guess I'll go first.
Yeah? Okay.
Time for the hanging test? Okay.
Stay here. And put your hands on my shoulders. Yeah, I see it. Yeah. Again, did you pass the test?
No, not yet.
Okay.
I feel like a tin man.
Okay, let's go. Are you nervous?
Yes, a little bit. It's a long way down.
Hi.
Hello. What's your name? David.
Turn to the right, hands on the corners. Here.
Yes.
You hold tight, I lift you up, okay?
Okay, hold tight.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh. Yeah. Oh boy. Oh boy. Hi. Oh, long way down.
Say bye to the world.
Bye world. Oh. Woo! Ah, yes. Oh yeah, that was great. Now I'm flying. I see why they call it base flying now.
Yeah.
We're like base hovering.
Yeah. Can you hold on to my shoulders, please?
Yeah.
Awesome. Cool. Contact. Alright, I'm going to release you from the system. Check this out, 120 meters.
120 meters.
City weather.
Visiting friends, yeah.
Thanks for flying with us.
Thank you.
You just walk on the stairs.
And these stairs are super slippery. It's really dark. I guess this is the way back. Ah! Hello, Berlin.
There he is. Hi there. Woohoo! Congrats.
Wow, that was really thrilling. That feeling in your stomach that you get when you're just dropping like a rock, yeah, it's crazy. I got that feeling when I was bungee jumping as well, and skydiving too. I just don't get tired of it. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, click the thumbs up. Leave a comment telling me what adventure I should do next and where. Don't forget to subscribe because I've got a lot more coming for you. Take care.